Welcome to a family adventure like no other. Today, we're taking you with us to one of our all-time favourite places, Disneyland Paris. Since it was a special family trip, we filmed this vlog differently from our usual Finn and Meg videos. We set off from Dublin to Paris early in the morning in disbelief that at the ripe age of 25, we were going to Disneyland Paris again. In the next video, we'll return to our regular vlogging style, wrapping up our winter series with our best destination yet. So, with all that said, let's get this journey started.
Alrighty, good morning and welcome back to Disneyland Paris. I can't believe I'm saying that again. I think we've been here now 3 times in the last 12 months, which is a bit ridiculous. But we just got a great deal. It's the end of January. By the time you see this, it's probably like summer. But I think it's like, what was it? Minus 1 degree right now? 0 degrees. 0 degrees right now. Yesterday, 100% it got down to, had to get down to at least -3, -4. It started snowing when we were on one of the rides. Actually, it must have snowed last night because I have the camera on a bin at the moment, and it's just slipping all over the place because the stand just can't take all the leftover like slush pretty much. Anyway, we didn't record yesterday because we just kind of wanted to spend the day with the family. Plus, we were delayed getting in. By the time we got here, I think we had like 2 hours of daylight. But more importantly, you have seen probably 400 videos from Disneyland Paris in the span of a very short period of time. The main reason we're actually here is because we had one more Christmassy trip that we wanted to do, or we had planned, the biggest one out of all of them. But to get from Dublin to where we wanted to go was crazy expensive. But to get from Paris to where we wanted to go was like a quarter of the price. And we found a really, really good price for the 4 of us to come here in one of the better hotels. We're staying in Sequoia Lodge. We usually don't stay here. We'd usually stay in like Santa Fe, which is slightly down that way. That's the New York hotel, or the Marvel Hotel, which is like the cheapest room's like $300 a night or something, like $400 a night. And then you have Newport there, and that's Disney Village with the hot air balloon, which we've been here so many times, and I've never done that. Every time I go to check it, it's either closed or they're just saying it's the weather's crap so they can't fly. So yeah, the plan of action today, take you on another full day here in Disney. We have a few things we want to hit. They haven't been here for the new Marvel land that opened up like a year ago. So we definitely want to do the Marvel stuff. My favourite ride is the Iron Man and the Spider-Man ride now. Like they're just, maybe it's recency bias, but I just think they're the best rides here at the moment. So I'm definitely doing that today. But the reason I'm up super early is because it's 6:45 right now, and I'm the only person out here, which is actually kind of nice. I've done this before, where I've come out like really early and just kind of literally had Disney to yourself. The last time they were here with us, we stayed in Newport, and I remember getting up, and it was Christmas time. I think it was 2 weeks before Christmas or something like that. Yeah, we stayed in Newport, which is very rare for us. Usually not that posh. This lake, I don't know why, but was completely still. I tell Megan this story all the time. She's probably going to listen back to this and be like, oh, he's telling that story again. But it was the most relaxed I've ever been in my life. And this lake was completely still. And then the pool in there had just opened. It was like 7 a.m. and was also completely still. And whatever way I stood at an angle, I was able to have the pool and then the lake seamlessly at the same line as each other, completely still. And I got in. And I don't know why, it was pitch black like this, and it was just the most relaxed I'd ever been in my life. There was no one around. It was just... Anyway, that is my plan to recreate today. This pool opens at, I think 7 as well. I think 7 o'clock. So yeah, the pool opens 15 minutes. Gonna hit the pool, then try and shove some breakfast in, and then if you haven't been to Disneyland Paris before, you may not have heard of magic hours, which is pretty much if you stay in one of these Disney properties, the park opens up an hour before everyone else, but most people stay in the Disney properties, so it kind of counterbalances a little bit. It is a little bit quieter, but not by much, because obviously so many people do stay in the Disney properties. So we want to go to that, which opens at 8:30. So pretty much, as Americans would probably call it, like curtain drop, I think they call it. Is that right? Curtain drop? Do you call it curtain drop? Something like that. And then head straight for the busy rides. But again, another reason we came here in January is just because it is dead. We were here yesterday, and the longest rides, like you'd be queuing max 45 minutes is the longest you'd ever queue. Like we walked on to Pirates of the Caribbean, we walked on to Indiana Jones, which we probably shouldn't have done because I think we might have broken Megan's mom on that ride.
Good luck! Oh, she's shitting herself. Bye!
Oh no. And we won't talk about that. And yeah, just have another great day here at Disney. So yeah, I'm gonna head to the pool. Well, I'm gonna meet up with Megan's sister, and then we're gonna head to the pool. And hopefully we should have it to ourselves because it opens in 10 minutes. Another fun day in Disney, and then we are on to the biggest Christmas, probably the biggest trip we've ever done, I think. Definitely in terms of my bank balance, that's for sure. Yeah.
Cheers! There's no queue for Spider-Man, so that's our first stop. Ready? I won. Sticking with the theme of Avengers, we crossed over the campus to try out the Iron Man ride, and let's just say everyone is shitting themselves.
Terrified.
On the video. You're such a bitch.
What?
Afterwards, we hopped over to the main park to go on one of everyone's favourite rides.
You're going down, sweet dog. I'm winning this one.
We all tried our best, but let's just say shooting is not our thing.
Look at that. Look at that. No, show it. 41.
85.
34. The first time I try. Usually I'm recording, so I always lose, but this time I didn't record.
Good job, Space Rangers. Exit your space cruiser to the right.
Maybe next time, boss.
It was at this point in the day that the park was starting to get a little bit busy, so we had a look for any ride that we could do very quickly before lunch, and stumbled across this one hidden away in the corner.
Gee. It's a lot more fun than I thought. Pedal to the metal.
So cool!
You got the kids' car.
Yours is broken.
Pedal to the metal.
Go any faster!
Pedal to the metal.
Go fast.
Get him, bang into.
Look how fast she goes! Oh, here we go. She goes so fast! Look at her!
Slow down, Manta. Slow down. Oh no, bump him. Please bump him, please. Please, yes.
It's on the hill! Stop it.
Remember when we paid extreme money? Waited. Remember? Yeah, ours is so. Do you remember when we paid extreme money?
Yeah.
Waited 25 minutes
Yeah.
to sit in traffic.
Funny.
That's all it was.
Yeah.
Look.
Of course, we got absolutely starving and ran to the Chez Remy restaurant, only to find out that you had to book in advance, so we decided to go with the old reliable Rainforest Cafe, where we got one of our favourite drinks, a coronita! And after that, we tipsily ran all the way to see the Lion King show. After that, we tried to get on as many rides as we could before the park closed.
And keep your hands and arms
freezing.
inside.
Go on. Up, 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 up. Higher. It's so cold.
It's freezing. Oh wait, when you stop, I don't go pretty higher. Oh well. Oh well. Oh.
Oh. Let me tell you one thing. Heat doesn't rise.
Oh Jesus.
Oh my God, it's so. Oh, I like the view. First of all, do the Iron Man thing. Go on.
My gloves. It is freezing. There's actually a lake behind us that's frozen over, so I'm gonna make this very quick. We apologize that the video is not our usual shitty video. It's even shitter than that, because obviously we're with family and we're also trying to enjoy it, and it's like our 9th time Disneyland, so we're just enjoying the busy, fucking hell, the quietness of January. I'm too cold.
See you tomorrow.
We will see you tomorrow.
Bonjour and welcome to our final day here in Disney. I'm heading, it's about 7:15, heading for a swim that opens up in like 15 minutes before we head in for magic hours. It's so cold. And where we're going tonight after this is like 20 times colder than here, pretty much. We missed a couple of things yesterday. Crusher's Coaster, the Nemo ride, was like the only one that had like a serious wait. The good thing about coming in January is that there is no one. Like as I said earlier, we are really lucky. Like there's no one around here at the moment. Obviously it's earlier, but the parks are fairly quiet. Like usually rides that would be like an hour and a half are like max 45 minutes, maybe. I think the only one that we saw over an hour was Crusher's Coaster. So that's why we decided to save it for this morning, so that we don't have to queue. But yeah, I'm just heading into the pool, and then the park opens up in about 45 minutes. We'll head straight to Nemo. I promised Megan's sister I would do Tower of Terror, which I hate. I hate normal elevators, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this one, but I promised her I'd do that. And then we definitely want to do some stuff in the Marvel Land again, because I love that. We went on Iron Man twice yesterday just because the lines were pretty short. But yeah, gonna go for another sweep and have another amazing day here in Disney before we head to our final country on this very, very, very long Christmas trip.
Comme le vibranium du Wakanda ou ce fluide extraterrestre dément. On a les particules de Pym et Startech. Parce qu'ils sont pas croyables. Petit, arrête de faire ça, c'est bon.
Activated notice. The fun of multiplying.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Sur la marche en quittant le véhicule. À bientôt. Thanks for saving Avengers Camp.
Just missed it. We got 700 and something. Yeah. Bonjour. How are you?
Excited.
Oh, summer. She's getting nervous.
Kidding myself.
Oh, go. Sobs. You regret it? No. She was right. I didn't listen. Oh, my stomach. Yeah, it gets a lot worse, I think. Yawn.
Suivez-moi avant qu'il ne soit trop tard. Come with me.
No, I'm good. Songs. Whoa, that's cool. That's cool. My back went flying. Oh, when does it end? Oh. Jesus Christ, songs.
Prochaine fois, vous allez bien m'écouter. You should listen.
How do you feel now? How I felt afterwards. Thank you. Wait, I didn't even see the photo.
We only had a couple of hours left in the park, so we decided to brave the inevitably long lines of Nemo.
I hate this ride.
I love it. This is actually one of my favorites.
My stomach just went through the roof.
Excellent. Yeah, this is the bit that Marco likes.
After that, we decided to venture over to Avengers Land one more time before hopping into our transfer, where we were very tired and had to say goodbye to our family in the airport.
That looks so funny.
Now it's just us. My mum and sister just left because they are going home and we are going somewhere else.
We finish it here in the next video.
We will see you in a very new place and also a new country in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably enjoy one of our more put together Disneyland vlogs from a few months ago. I'll leave a link for you in the comments below if you want to check them out. We'll see you next week in a new country. Bye!